What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Back at it again. Just wanted to apologize for not making a video this past Friday. I got sick after I got done trading, and just had a bad day in general. As you can see, now I am down almost $1,000, and I'm going to explain to you what happened and the pullback that I got caught in, and how the trade actually did end up going my way, but overall it didn't. So NASDAQ, let's start with that open range high at 17,571. The open range low was 17,527. So we had a little bit of wiggle room right here. But as you can see, after we got rejected right here at 571, we hit a nice lower high at around 560. Got rejected at the EMA, did a little bit of a retest. Now, this is where I actually felt really comfortable going in. Once we just got a break and open below. And as you can see, let me zoom in for you guys. So once we got that rejection, we had a nice little pullback, nice break, and open below. Once I saw that it was just holding right here and it got rejected right here, and right here, I decided, you know what, I'm going to go short with two contracts. And I think maybe for like 30 seconds I was in the green. But then it started to recover a little bit, hit a lower high, and even though it did end up getting rejected at the EMA, I did tell myself, um, once I got to right here, I was down about $500, and I said, you know what? I said, if we break above that EMA, I said I'm just going to get out, take my losses, and be done with the day. And by the time we got up here, I was down. I was literally hitting the daily loss limit, and I was really trying not to break that one goal for 2024, and that was not hitting my daily loss limit at all. No matter if it's a combine, no matter if it's when I get my funded account, I don't want to ever hit the daily loss limit, and I did hit it. I did hit it on Friday, but then as you can see, guys, we actually got rejected at this EMA really nicely. A few minutes later, had that strong break below, had actually hit a new low on the day at 17,503. So I missed out on a few $100. But as you can see, overall, after we hit that new low, we did start to make a full recover. Actually broke above, had a nice clean break above that open range resistance. So definitely frustrated that it did end up going in my favor. Because it's a lot easier to take a loss when if it would have just broke above and hit higher highs and broke above the open range resistance, like I could live with that. But the fact that I got out right, a few minutes before we get rejected, and then we sell off, we start to pull, hit new lows. So it's just one of those things I was just really frustrated with. And if I did basically end up hitting my daily loss limit. Um, I really couldn't get into any more trades simply because if I would have been down maybe like $100, $130, I would have hit my daily loss limit. So in my eyes, I basically did hit my daily loss limit. So I'm a little worried about that. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I am still debating if I'm okay with doing another reset, because if I have to do a because like let's say I have another really bad day like I did Friday or even Monday, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. And at this point, I feel like I do have tremendously better risk to reward ratio, and I am so much better with averaging up into a trade and averaging up and cutting my losses when I trade TQQQ and SQQQ. So I'm just gonna be real with you guys. There is a chance where if I have to do another reset because I hit that daily drawdown limit, then I'll let you guys know. I'll be completely transparent with you guys, but you'll probably see me trading TQs and SQs. Just want to let you guys know. I do find it so much easier to average up and average down into trades, trading TQs and SQs. But I do like futures. It is very stressful. You can easily go from being up $100 to being down $500 really quick. There's been times where I've been up, I've been down $100, and then within like the 1 minute candlestick, I'm down $400 or $500. So futures, it is 29x leverage for those who don't know. So yeah, but just a little bit of a breakdown on Friday's trades. Really decided just to take that the rest of the day off, even though I was sick. Just really use it to get my mind right. I won't lie. I've been really discouraged the past 2 weeks. Past 2 weeks, has definitely been hard for me the past 2 weeks. But yeah, definitely gonna really just read through my journals. This Saturday and Sunday, I have been studying a lot. Supply and demand zones. Actually, you know what? Since I'm at it, I'll show you guys the supply and demand zone I did draw. Let me change the time frame though, because I do like to use the 1 hour when I do draw my supply and demand zones. So I have a really strong supply zone at around starting at 17,760 all the way down to 17,701. So that's my supply zone right there. Now my demand zone is sitting at around 17,488 all the way down to 7,452. So we did actually today, after the market opened for futures at 5 p.m. Eastern time, we actually did have a retest and had a strong, nice little bounce. So curious to see if we're going to hold below, treat this EMA as a resistance on the 1 hour, or if we're going to break above. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the subscribe button.